everybody, welcome back. I am here with my haul. Boy, did I have a haul. First, we're going to go over the resin mold box. My subscription box I got a couple days ago. I'm going to pick a couple molds out for the next video. Not going to pour in this one. I'm just going to show you everything that I got. I got some pretty cool stuff, okay? I got birthday money. And I treated myself to feed my resin obsession. Okay? Anyhow, this is the box I got a couple days ago. Along with the paper. For February, it was Hearts in Motion. Okay? We have a twin heart ribbed storage tray. Also, Love Floral Garland Coaster. Majestic Galloping Horse Wall Plaque. I like that. I'm a horse girl. I love my horses. Spiral ribbed storage jar with lid. Then we have also a diamond weave geometric pot. That's pretty cool looking. Hollowed butterfly decorative box. That's interesting. Ocean spiral shell resin tray mold. Another interesting one. Oh, adorable Barnaby yak planner. In other words, Highland cow vibes. Oh yeah. So those are the molds. This must be the, let's see what we got here. This is part of the butterfly. Okay. The butterfly mold. Okay. This is a decorative box. There's a lid in here somewhere. That's part of it. Okay, this is that spiral. What is this one? This is both parts in the same mold. Spiral ribbed storage jar with a lid. I only see the one part. Okay, wait a second. Maybe both parts. Maybe I'm going to be hunting for a second part of the butterfly, and it's already here. If I can get it open. And yeah, both parts are here. Yeah, there's the lid. Very thin lid. I'm liking butterflies, and I showed you this one. Extra bonus mold. Okay, this is the Highland cow. You could put like a tea light in there. I don't recommend true tea light, but like one of them battery operated ones. That Highland cow. This is the heart coaster. This is the seashell tray. Ah, we got some. Ooh! We got some little beads, some inclusions, which I've got a bunch for on my haul today too. This is two hearts. Okay, this is the 2-heart ribbed storage tray. I'm putting that aside for a minute. See, this is, okay, this is that planter. It's like that geometric planter. right here on top. And this is the horse. You know what? I'm going to be adventurous. I'm just going to do it. I'm going to do the horse tomorrow. And I'm going to do this tray here. I am going to be probably doing most of these over the next couple weeks. I mean, it was tough. I thought about that Highland cow. I really, really, really did. And this butterfly box mold, I thought about it. But these are the two I'm going to do in the next video. The heart Valentine trinket tray and the horse. I got to do the horse. That is non-negotiable. And I got to find room on my shelf or do something because I think I'm going to keep all my mold boxes together. Okay. Now, I went to Michael's today. And I had a 30% off coupon on my whole order, plus $5 rewards. You know, after you spend so much money, you get a $5 voucher. Well, I used that today. So, Michael's, I got. Now, this is supposed to be for fondant, but I wanted to be able to make my own shells, my own starfish. So I picked up this mold. A great extras mold, by the way. I also got butterflies. Also supposed to be fondant, but good extras mold. I also got from Craft Smart. This here was 20 bucks, but I got 30% off on that. I think I paid $13 for it. And this is some geode coasters. I also got these things. Decorative filler. These you find in the floral section, like with vases and stuff. This is crushed glass, like mirrored glass. I got it in this color, and I've got ideas. We're going to do an experiment in the near future. And I also got it in this blue color. I have a tray project that I'm going to surprise you with. Okay? Not going to do it right this minute. But it's going to be gorgeous. Then I went from there over to Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree does carry some resin stuff. But let me show you my haul for Dollar Tree. First and foremost, for organizing, you know, I said I needed something for organizing. Inclusions, embellishments. I'll get other little pots and bags and stuff. But I paid $5 for this at Dollar Tree. And it has a tray in here and all this space. And it closes and locks. I may even go and get a second one of these. I'm thinking about it. Believe me. Then, spatulas. Now these aren't as small, but still you can scrape cups with them. Let me just use one of these for example. That would scrape, and they're rounded. That's why I picked these up. These are going in my tool bin, where the rest of my silicone scrapers and stuff are. Going right in here. That thing's getting tight too. I got a heart-shaped coaster mold at Dollar Tree. Yes, this is like a heavy-duty silicone coaster. Heart-shaped. They had another one there that was like a star shape, but I didn't grab that one. I should have. Look at the price on that. Where do you find any silicone mold for $1.25? Seriously. And for shits and giggles, for mixing colors, I could probably reuse these. Eventually just go back, get another 20 count for $1.25. A new spray bottle. This one, I'm going to put my cleaning alcohol in. Or maybe I'll switch it around. This is what I have my 99%. My cheaper alcohol is going to be in another one. It probably should be this one. What else did I get? More inclusions. This is white sand. And when you see this tray that I'm going to be doing, you'll understand why I got the white sand. And this white sand was like $1.75. Along with these, $1.75. These were like $1.50 or something like that. Vase filler, decorative accents, and I bought 2 packages of them. Rhinestones. I know that these have the sticky back, but I don't trust it. I will use glue when placing these down, but it's like an ombre effect. I gotta use. You'll understand why in the near future. If you look here, oh, this is a diamond wrap. Yeah, they're not individual. Okay, I could cut them apart, but it has this ombre effect. I got plans, and I got, I think this was only $1.25. This was $1.25. These stickers. A lot of nautical stuff. Trip. So I thought these were cute. And I thought, why not? Why not? XOXO, Valentine's, hello. And lastly, I got 3 paints. I think if with a gloved finger caught or whatever, like the tops of flowers. This isn't really a good example, but this one might be. But I still have to finish it. Like the tops of roses and stuff, to kind of give an accent to. These are glitter paints. You know, this is finish work. This is kind of like a glittery white. And then I got two metallics. Glittery gold color. And a glittery silver metallic paint. You know, I've been watching a bunch of YouTube. I've been looking at Pinterest. I've been looking at Instagram. Getting ideas. I have a lot of exciting projects coming up. So you're going to want to make sure you subscribe. Because all these really cool videos I have planned and cool projects, you're not going to want to miss. Especially with my experiment that I've planned for this. I am not giving you a spoiler alert next to I'm going to transform some of this glass. Okay, with that said, thank you for watching. And I will see you in the next video when I do the trinket tray and the horse.